Hi, this week I want to share with you something about foot surveillance, and not just share it with you, but show it to you. I've got a clip for you this week right out of my full paid training, The Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance, and it's a foot surveillance technique. After I show you this clip, I want to share with you the two things, or if I could only give you two benefits out of my full paid training, these are the two benefits I would want you to have. That's coming up right after this training clip. Let's take a look. When doing foot surveillance, you're going to want to be able to change your appearance. You do this by dressing in layers. If you have an outer layer that you can take off, that can sometimes change a great deal the way you look to the person that you might be following. It's also helpful to have a hat that you can put on or off in order to change your appearance even more. Now that may seem like a small thing, or you may say, well, Larry, I already know that. But a lot of times it's the small things or the small things you skip that cost you or cause you to get burned. Now, if I could choose only two things for you to get, only two benefits out of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance for you, it would be this. One, it's all there, and you know you've got all the training. No one is holding back a secret from you with this. I'm retired essentially. I'm not looking to keep a secret from you so that I have it and I can use it and the competition can't get it. When you get my training, you get the whole thing. And so number one benefit, I want you to know with confidence when you go out to do surveillance, I know this. I may be nervous. I may not, okay, I don't have a lot of experience with this, but I know everything I need to know. That's one thing. The second thing, and really, if I can just keep you from getting burned just one time, and it's worth the price of the course over and over again, really. Getting burned is the worst feeling there is. It ruins your case. It's a terrible call to have to make to the client. If you learn just one thing in the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance that keeps you from being burned, even just once, totally worth it. Even if there's something you go, I know I should do this, but Larry said I'm going to do it. That's worth it to me. I'm glad you got that benefit out of it. You just can't even imagine. So that's, I want you to check out that full paid training if you're interested in really doing surveillance at the top level, being one of those top 10% people, which is honestly really where all the money is in this business. In the meantime, this is Larry K with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing. All right, just you and me. Did you notice halfway through this video, I changed my outfit? Just saying.